Sika is a global leader in structural strengthening systems, systems ideal for the seismic upgrading of concrete and masonry buildings. One innovative Sika product is SikaWrap, a reinforcing fabric made of either carbon or glass fibres. SikaWrap is wrapped around columns and bonded to masonry walls, helping a building to withstand much higher earthquake loadings. To help show this, we set up a simple demonstration in the Sika laboratory. First, we took two concrete columns, identical in their size, weight and compressive strength. The only difference being that one had been wrapped with SikaWrap. Into the compression tester it goes. On goes the compressive force. And within a very short time, the unwrapped concrete fails. Just as it could in a real-life seismic event. Then we took the column wrapped in SikaWrap. On goes the compression force. And we wait. At this point, the unwrapped column had failed. When close to double the compressive forces exerted on it, finally, the SikaWrap column fails. SikaWrap makes retrofitting concrete columns easy. SikaWrap, another smart, innovative seismic strengthening solution from Sika.